July 20th, 2021, SXM Airport, Princess Juliana's Airport, Maho Beach. I'm not standing behind it because when he hits it, that sand goes in, and I guarantee you they're gonna run into the water because it hurts. I've done it before. So I'm just gonna videotape them getting hurt so you guys can see. And they're about to go in a second. A view of the people, watch the people run. Who cares about the plane? You guys have been watching it for 10 minutes. It's just going to take off. Watch the people run when they gas. Just so if you're traveling here, you think it's a good idea to stand behind that. That sand comes off the ground and goes right into your face at about 100 miles an hour, and it's not fun. People watch them. See them all running in the water? That sand hurts.